Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Miss Lola, also known as the Magic Wig Maker, and I am so happy that you all have joined me today. I'm also happy because my channel has reached over 7,000 subscribers. That means to me so much because 7,000 people have subscribed to my channel. And I thank each and every one of you. I'm looking forward to more of you joining and subscribing, watching, commenting, liking, and just helping my channel to grow even more. Today I'm going to be resizing a wig into a hair unit, not only to make it shorter this way, but to make it smaller this way. Best of all, I'm going to show you how to do this technique entirely by hand. This is a custom order for a client. Her measurements are going to be a 10.5 for the front hairline. Half of that measurement is going to be 5 2/4 or 5 1/4. So I'm going to place it right in the center, and that center, and across the front hairline. This is where this is going to have to be. Use as many T-pins as you need to get the curvature, and you don't go off the curvature. Okay, and I know it's a 10.5, so I'm going to bring this down to the 10.5, which is right there. With your tailor's chalk, you want to go ahead and measure off that front for that first measurement right there. And right there. And her second measurement from the center forehead over the crown down to the nape is an 11. So I normally just center everything right in the center of that hairline. I'm going to hold it with my pen and go down to 11 inches. That third measurement is a 12. Wow, this is going to be a big alteration because this unit measures 15, and with my chalk, just measure right down the center, all the way down. There we go. Let's see what this measures. That's 2 inches. So I need to take 1.5 inches from this cap, because we need all the lace here. We're not going to take anything from there, but here on the cap is where we're going to take away inches, and we're going to take 1.5 inches off of that side. That's 1.5 inches off that side. I'm going to take 1.5 inches off this side. Now I'm going to draw a parallel line from ear to ear across the back of the wig. Use your 1.5 mark and go all the way up to the cap right there. Mark the cap like this on the other side as well. And I'm going to take all these combs out. Now I draw the new cap size all together. Going with the contour just like the cap itself. So that is good. That's what I need. And going to insert my scissors and make sure that I'm cutting the weft only and not any of the hair. If you need to, put your hand up under so you can feel what you're doing, and just go through the weft only and the lace. Once you make that first cut, it's pretty easy. You can see where you're going right through the weft. There we go. I'm going to use the band, but cut away the excess lace right above the band. And now I align the seams and pin them in place. Now I sew the seams together around the entire altered cap. Now all that's needed is to adjust the straps and add a comb in the center back to place under her hair. This 3/4 wig hair unit is on the way to my client. I hope that you have learned how to make your wigs smaller and also while making them a hair unit. And if you've not done so already, please subscribe, like, share, tell others, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you will always know when I am doing something new and different here on Miss Lola's Hair and More. Take care, everybody. I'll see you again next time.